The wide crown bottom stapler is primarily used for carton bottom stapling. It's been developed through years of experience in producing thousands of bottomers exported all over the world. These machines are constructed with a steel tubing frame and wearing parts of hardened steel, which make it ideal for continuous hard use in packaging departments. To load, pull the pusher back and lift into the lock position. Then, simply lower and return the pusher. The bottom stapler makes stapling any size box both quick and easy. It's available in both pneumatic and manual versions. The number of staples used for each task depends on cardboard quality, size of carton, and weight of content. A side stapling model, used for stapling the lids and sides of cartons, is also available. For our full selection of bottom staplers, including various available brands, visit us online at amplesupply.com or contact your Ample Supply salesperson today.